Alright, this is We the People News, not attorney, not giving legal advice. Okay, educational purposes only. Anything I say or do is just hearsay. Okay, it's just my opinion. Take it with a grain of salt. Okay, uh, always arm yourself with the Second Amendment with knowledge. Okay, and never look straight forward. Always look around you. Be able to protect yourself by any means necessary. So all through my videos, I've talked about who's man and woman making a claim. Where's the affidavit? This, that, here, and there. Well, she's doing the exact same thing I'm telling you guys to be doing over and over and over. Some of you guys prefer listening to hearsay attorneys, and all they are is just your negotiator, okay, to make some type of agreement. Okay, that's all the attorneys are. Some of them may fight for your rights, but it's going to take years and years later, and maybe something will become of it, maybe they won't, right? It just depends on the agreements, right? Judges, attorneys, is all conflict of interest against you. They all have something they want from you. Every one of them. All right.
They're going to ask what they want, man. This is one of the things.
This is private property. What is this?
We have a legal document, we can search warrant, they're going to execute it, and they're going to start now.
But what is the authority? By what authority do you have to come on private property?
The search warrant gives us that authority.
No, it doesn't. Not on private property, unless there's a crime. Please state the crime in which we've committed.
You have the document, please.
No, I don't. I don't see a crime. A code does not apply to private property. This is private property. You're committing
Folks, we're going to get started.
short of a crime.
You folks are going to get started.
You cannot issue a warrant. Short of a crime.
You're going to get started, man.
Short of a crime, you cannot issue a warrant. What crime did he commit? I need to know the crime, sir. Please identify yourself. You are an administrative agency. Administrative codes and policies do not apply to private property. Short of a crime, you have no business being here. Where's the harmed party? We need a harmed party. Carol Calamingo of your department cannot be a harmed party. We need an affidavit of oath or affirmation that harm or injury has occurred. Without an affidavit of probable cause, you cannot be here. Where's the affidavit of probable cause?
It's in there.
No, it's not. There's no affidavit of probable cause that harm has occurred.
Okay. Just right off the top, why is he double checking and looking? Okay. And you're already supposed to know that? Just saying.
But this is private property. We need an affidavit of probable cause that harm has occurred. Who's the victim? Who's the victim? Carol works for you. She cannot be the judge, jury, and prosecutor. There needs to
She's just having a look to determine if they're in
she's
compliance.
performing you have that's a duty on private property. Your duty is a public administration. You deal with the public. Is this public property?
That particular type of officer is stunned right now. He caught his pants pulled down. Now, just a reminder, he knew he was going to be full of poo-poo when he got on the property. See how dry the land is? She's got these boots on because he's full of poo-poo. So, right now, he's actually littering on the property because he's so full of S.
That's fine then.
I need to take your name.
You already got my name.
I need your name.
All of our names are in there.
Because you will all be cited in a 42 U.S.C. 1983 deprivation of rights claim.
Sounds good.
Okay?
Now, that was a notice. He agreed to the terms. He was not in silence acquiescence. If we did the exact same thing, they would come after us. We got to rebut all notices. All right? He's got to rebut all notices. But because of the Black Robe protection, he's still going to have qualified immunity. But, that being said, he agreed to the terms. He is in silence acquiescence and tacitly agreed to her terms. Not knowing.
Every single one of you. You have no probable cause. There's no party. On private property, there needs to be a substantial relationship to public health, safety, and welfare. Without probable cause that harm injury or damage has occurred. You cannot be here.
Can I explain?
I understand your position.
Okay. No, I don't think you do understand mine. So let me be clear. Carol and
I have to be honest. She really understands more than he does.
her boss are with the Waterways and Wetlands Department.
Yes.
They want to have a look. I'm an investigator with our Office of Chief Counsel. They asked me to coordinate having police here due to their safety.
Their safety? What about our safety?
Well, we're all...
What about...
There we go again. For their safety. They're on private property. They're trespassing. And what are they doing? Domestic abuse against private people. Alright? This is not complicated, people. You're letting the government run amok on your rights, on your private property that has no citizen nexus attached to it. Your private property is not a creature of the state. This is not a complicated issue for anybody to understand. Okay? Especially these liar black robes and these liars that help the black robes, right? They know there's no creature of the state. They know there's no citizen nexus attached to it, and yet they think they have authority because we keep complying.
Our safety. You send armed agents to our property while our kids are out playing with no crime. There's no crime here. Unless a crime has occurred, you have no business being here. Unless there is a victim, a man or woman that signed this affidavit, they've been harmed, injured, or damaged by us, you have no business being here. This is a deprivation of rights issue. You will be